Hi, good morning dear friends. This is Kasimappa, Assistant Math Teacher from SVM School, Hargimara Camp. Dear students, this is part 1 video for the 5th standard for second chapter that is the 4 operations. Dear students, we know that generally the fundamental operations of mathematics is called 4 operations, or the fundamental 4 operations are, yes, we know that very well, that is first 4 operations. Yes, first one is addition then second one is subtraction, second one subtraction, third one multiplication, fourth one is division, Dear students, in our today class, especially related to the second chapter, the 4 operations. Which are the 4 operations? These are the 4 operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. You know that symbol for addition, yes, this is, we can represent as plus. The symbol for subtraction, that is minus. The symbol for multiplication is, that is cross. The symbol for division is like this, we can denote. Then you can ask another questions. Sir, what is the definitions of addition? What is the definitions of addition? Addition is the first fundamental operation of mathematics in which numbers to be added. Yes, here it is the first fundamental operations in which the numbers are things, whatever it may be, the numbers to be added. Then what do you mean by subtraction? Subtraction is the second fundamental operations of mathematics in which numbers to be subtracted. Yes, especially small number subtracts from big number, or we can subtract the small numbers from big number. That process is called subtraction. Yes, the numbers to be subtracted. Then what do you mean by multiplication? Multiplication is the third fundamental operation of mathematics in which numbers to be multiplied. Yes, the numbers to be multiplied. Yes, then fourth operation, that is division. Division is the fourth fundamental operation of mathematics in which numbers to be divided. The numbers to be divided. Yes, these are the 4 fundamental operations of mathematics, dear students. One important thing is that if you perfect addition of numbers, addition of all numbers, subtraction of all numbers, multiplication of all numbers, division of all numbers. These things if you perfect, yes, it may be 2 digits number or 3 digits or 4 digits or 5 digits or 6 whatever digits it may be. If you perfect addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, yes, automatically mathematics you will be learn. You can learn in easily. Yes, let us see, dear children. First fundamental operation addition. Yes, I go with that first fundamental operation in today class. Yes, that is addition. I will make it clear by giving examples, dear children. Yes, I will make it clear by giving examples. Suppose example 1 is 23 plus 6. Here 23 and 6. Here these two numbers connected by plus symbol. Yes, this is the addition. This is the symbol for addition. If the symbol between any two numbers, it means that we have to add the given numbers. 23 plus 6, that is 29. That is 29. Example 2, yes, 421 plus 100. Yes, now here see my here 3 digits number, here also 3 digits number. 421 plus 100, that is 521. 521. Then example 3, dear children, 5500 plus 4500. Yes. Now dear children, see here 5500 4 digit number, here 4500, this is also 4 digit number. Now we can add these 4 digits number, that will be, yes, 10,000. That will be 10,000. Yes. Example 4, dear children, that is, yes, 10,400. 10,400. Yes, 10,400 plus 10,600. 10,600. Here 10,400 is 5 digit number. Here 10,600 is a 5 digit number. What is the sum of this? Yes, that will be, yes, 21,000. How much, ma? 21,000. 21,000. Yes. Here see, now you can observe the numbers 23 and 6 we are going to be called as addends. What we can call the numbers, these numbers we can call as addends. 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 Here 421 and 100 addends. Here 5,500 and 4,500 addends. Here 10,400 and 10,600 addends. Addends. Yes. Then what we can call those these numbers? The numbers after adding we are going to be called as sum. Yes, these are the sum. Sum means you should, as a mathematics students, dear children, you should remember, ma. Sum means the numbers after adding is called sum. Yes, I will write that addends meaning. Addends. The numbers to be added. The numbers to be adding is called addends. Then dear children, then important, that is sum. Sum means the numbers after adding. The numbers after adding is called sum. Okay, dear children, I think you did understand that the four fundamental operations with the addition of numbers. Okay, remaining content regarding to this second chapter, four operations, I will continue in the next class. Dear children, thanking you all. Bye.